sister said I should vlog us moving out. So this is day 1. Actually, nakapagbayad na kami last week. Thursday I think. But wala nga kasi ako ng Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Nasa QC ako to help her out. I don't have any clips of that. But I was there. Kakauwi pa lang yesterday night, Sunday night. So, first day ngayon, my mom is starting to pack everything. Medyo malinis na yan. This is the situation right now. And I've been messaging L3 Vans, and right now I'm cooking food for my dog. And then I asked my mom to buy an electric fan. So this is day 1. Probably, I think we're gonna be settled by the end of December, hopefully. So this is day 1. I'll see you probably on day 2. I do wanna I wanna show you guys what's the state of my bed, but I don't think it's interesting enough because yesterday I deleted the footage already. Yesterday I was spending I think at least 4 hours trying to figure out how to transfer our Wi-Fi, but I've decided to just disconnect it and then apply for another one. So I think it will happen this week or any time next week because it doesn't matter. I've solved it already, but it doesn't matter to me anyways because I'm gonna use the disconnect. I'm not gonna explain anymore. I'm here fix things while I try to. I do have a box here. I don't even know if it's sturdy. Kinuha ko lang siya sa Osip kasi whenever I buy, I try to get stuff or boxes para it's easier to pack things. And that's it. Let's start. I'm gonna have audio, so you won't hear me. You're just gonna see me. I'm so busy.
Jackers can produce powerful hallucinations. This is a wig. Don't tell anybody.
You're not gonna hear me, but you're gonna see me pack my things. Sorry. 1 second.
Your daddy was home when you left. Your mama was home when you left. Your sister was home when you left.
Sabi ko this. First meal.
First meal.
Yeah, it's our first.
Ito pala eh. Kaya minsan iwan tayo eh.
What happened to my car? Dali.
I can do it.
Dali na.
I can do it.
Dali na. Dali na. Sige na. Dali na. Dali. Wala ka dyan. Dali na. Kaya mo yan. Dance mo yung Saudi Pop. Wala pa. Dali. Kaya na. My little soda pop. Huh?
I can do it.
You can.
Water.
This is freaking wet. Wait lang. My phone's gonna be wet too. Oh my god. Alis yan. Ano ko dilaan, Dutch? I need to go to the CR and wash immediately. So, if you guys didn't know, start moving and it poured rain. I believe raining is a good sign like when it rains, when you have like important thing that will happen in the future. By the way, I have a cold, so me being soaking in the rain will have more possibility that my cold gets worse, but it's okay. So I'm wet from head to toe, so like the rain progressively got like stronger, like it was so strong. So I was like, Kuya, you don't mind me, kasi sila yung bibiyay, ako pwede akong maligo, although kakaligo ko lang today. Sabi ko, don't mind me Kuya, kaya ako maligo, ikaw na lang papayungan ko. Cause syempre alamig-lamig ng van nila. Actually onti lang yung nilipat namin, dapat pala marami na, pero it's okay. Anyways, kasi malaki naman yung van. Dog, calm down. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys when I see you. We'll take a breather and then I will get back. I just need to put all the bags here kasi magkatabi kami ng kapatid ko mag-sleep. So, ayun. Feeling ko naman sa Monday pwede na sila dun dumiretso. May electric fan naman kasi dun. Ano lang sa akin ngayon ay yung wifi talaga. Bukas, pupunta ako dun bukas. I'll be there. I'm scared, but I need to be there. Kakapitan kami ng wifi. And, what the hell? What is that? It's like someone speaking. And then, also at the same time, I'm just waiting for Uncle Rich dumating. Hopefully, hindi ko na sila 11 matapos yung 12. Sila ka naman kakabitan. I look ugly as fruit. Mag-aangkas na ako pauwi because I just can't handle the stress though. Looking for appliances. Wala pa appliances dito. Okay. I feel so sad. I mean, I wish na parang sana I could be happy moving out, but I'm so sad kasi the people here, it's starting to feel so Christmassy. The people are getting to know me better. Like the whole community is just like my comfort. I'm just like so sad to move out. Look at all those Christmas trees. Christmas lights, but what the heck? I'm just so sad. Because I grew up here for how many been decades. And just like moving out of my comfort zone makes me so sad. Because this is my community. I have to adjust again to another place. Well, to me siguro practice round. Kasi pag nag-ibang bansa na ako, gawin ulit. Kaya Shopee ko bukas, hindi ko nga alam kung ano. I am from the future. So the context here, kung ba't ko hinawakan yung parang aso kasi nasugatan siya habang ginugroom siya, which is I get human error talaga, but I didn't get any apology or even thank you kasi bigyan ako ng merienda dahil nga birthday ni Dutch. So pupunta ka dun, sinabi naman sa akin nagkasugat si Dutch, pero isa lang yung sinabi, yung sa neck feet niya lang. So umuwi na kami, I've noticed na hindi lang isa yung sugat niya, dalawa yung sugat niya, as in yung balat niya, tuklap, hanggang ngayon nagdadry pa rin yung sugat niya. So sinabi ko yun, nag-chat ako, sabi ko, pwede po ba lagyan ng betadine or like dog wound and Band-Aid. Tapos sinabi nila, pwede naman, wag lang daw nalagyan ng Band-Aid. Baka po kasi naglikot kaya nagkasugat. Which is, I get, oo. Pero parang lahat ng blame is sa dog ko. And then, parang hindi din sila nag-sorry. And then the night after that, parang sumabit somewhere yung dog ko. My dog's feet started like, talaga ang daming dugo, and sobrang daming dugo. I got traumatized by it. And then, tinawagan ko si Doktora kasi si Doktora hindi niya alam na pumunta kami doon. And hindi niya alam na ganun pa rin nangyari. So, kahit gabi na, I still called her kasi hindi ko mapatigil yung dugo. So, mabait naman si Doktora. Siya pinakabait na Doktora na I knew for my dog. As in, talaga yung iba lang, I'm upset about it. Pero, ayun, ang bait ng Doktora. Pero, I still didn't get any apologies from Doktora. Also, pero I get siguro ng si Doktora, pero sobrang bait na ni Doktora. It's just like I'm so disappointed talaga sa nangyari sa dog ko kasi let's just imagine that like your own son, ganun, or anak mo na inaalaga mo maayos, as uuwi sa'yo sugatan, dugo, ganun. Okay lang kung isa, kasi dalawang sugat. But yeah, anyways, I forgive, but I don't forget what happened, and I don't think I'm coming back to that groomer anymore.
Hi. Kind of like the pants more. I'm leaning onto the pants. I feel like I'm Disney. I feel like I'm in Disney Channel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hi, good morning. One, two, three, go. Happy birthday, Dachi. Happy birthday, Dachi. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dachi. Blow mo na. Blow. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
I pray for God to heal you. And friend, I want you to know I'm expecting it to happen. I'm expecting miracles. I believe in God. Now send your baby. Let me send my baby.
Mercy will follow me all the days of my life. Your goodness and
So, di kami nakauwi last night. So, ang umuwi ngayon, wala naman akong susi. Wala naman pamasahe kasi binigay ko yung pera ko. So, we're eating ramen with scissors.
Yun! Ay, kung nga rin kayo dun mo.
I forgot to vlog. Nagpapak na ako. Maayos na to. Sobrang nabawasan na siya. Wala nang space dito. And then, ito, gamit ko ng aso ko. See, ang dami niya, wait. Hindi pa to actually gamit lahat ng aso kasi yung isang dog wound na gamot niya na bottle. Ginagamit ko pa kasi nasugatan siya. Insert clip. Tapos, ito yung gamot niya sa nagkakasakit siya. So, sa mga uod, sa mga diarrhea niya. Meron pa siya hindi ko pa nalalagay eh. Pero ito yung mga gamit niya. Mostly lahat gamit niya. Wala pa dito. Ito yung diaper niya. Last niya to eh. Last, bibili pa ulit ako. Tapos, mga damit niya. Wala pa dito yung towel niya. Ganun. So, ito yung niya. Mahal to eh. Yung slow eater niya. Kasi sobrang tagal niya kasi kumain pag ito yung gamit. Kaya hindi ko muna pinagagamit. So, ayun. Ano natin dito. Nasa sarado. Yan.